If you're walking the Camino de Santiago, your feet are your VIPs. Keep them happy. Welcome back to Journeys of Peace. Did you know that nearly 70% of pilgrims experience foot issues on the Camino? Your feet are your most important asset. What can you do to protect them? If you want to actually enjoy the journey, your feet need to be happy. Let's talk essentials. Number 1. Good walking shoes. Broken in months before. No fresh out-of-the-box experiments here. Whether you go with walking shoes or hiking boots, make sure they have room for your feet to swell because they will swell. It's just gravity at work. Remember, the terrain is varied, so you want them to be able to make sure your feet don't feel like your heels are directly hitting the rocks of those ancient Roman roads. Number 2. Merino wool socks. They breathe, they dry fast, and they keep blisters away. Cotton? Forget it. Cotton is betrayal. And merino wool socks also don't stink because your feet aren't sweating. You can sometimes wear them 2 days in a row if not dusty or muddy, but they dry fast after washing. Number 3. Vaseline. Every morning, rub a thin layer on your feet. Sounds weird, but it prevents friction. Friction is the enemy. Number 4. Insoles. The ones in your shoes are junk. Upgrade for real support. Your knees will thank you. My podiatrist recommended Spenco insoles. They can be molded and to provide more cushion where your feet need it most. Number 5. End-of-day foot massage. A tiny ball, tennis ball, whatever. Roll your feet for 5 minutes, heaven after 20 kilometers. And finally, number 6. Compeed blister plasters. Blisters happen even if you do everything right. These keep you walking instead of limping. That's it. 6 small things, huge impact. Shoes, socks, Vaseline, insoles, a massage ball, and Compeed. Take care of your feet and the Camino takes care of your soul. Buen Camino!